The iPhone 17 Pro is coming. Apple's big event is rumored for September 9th, and honestly, this might be the first iPhone in years that actually feels exciting. Like, not just oh cool, new color, exciting, but real, meaningful changes. Now of course, Apple's dropping a few models this year, the regular iPhone 17, a slimmer iPhone 17 Air, the Pro, and the Pro Max. But let's be real, the Pro is the one everyone's watching. And the rumors? They're wild. Let's start with the camera, because wow. Apple's finally giving us a periscope zoom lens. That means instead of the same old 12-megapixel telephoto, we could be looking at a 48-megapixel monster with 10x lossless zoom. Imagine actually being able to zoom in on something far away, and it still looks crisp. About time, right? And selfies, oh, finally. Apple's been stuck on 12 megapixels forever, but now? The front camera's jumping to 24 megapixels. Your FaceTimes, your Instagram stories, your late night, I just woke up snaps, they're all about to look a lot sharper. Now here's one that made me stop scrolling, 8K video recording. On an iPhone. Apple already nails video, but 8K? That's serious creator level stuff. Imagine editing that on a big screen, crazy. The design's also getting a shakeup. No more square camera bump. Instead, leaks show a camera bar stretching across the back. Honestly, it looks clean. Different. I like it. But here's the catch, Apple might swap the titanium frame for aluminum. On one hand, it'll be lighter, good for comfort. On the other hand, aluminum just doesn't feel as premium. Some people are gonna hate that move. Inside though? Total powerhouse. We're talking the new A19 Pro chip, built on Apple's fancy 3nm tech, plus 12 GB of RAM and a better cooling system. Translation, faster, smoother, and it won't turn into a hand warmer while gaming or shooting long 8K clips. Storage is also starting at 256 GB this year, which finally makes sense if we're dealing with 8K videos. And the cherry on top? A brand new orange color option. Not subtle. Not boring. Just bold. So if even half of this is true, the iPhone 17 Pro might actually be the iPhone that gets people excited again. And the best part? We don't have to wait long to find out. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.